Tekiah, Shevarim.
Happy is the nation that knows the blast of the shofar, says the psalmist in chapters 89 verses 16. Why does the Torah command us to be remembered before Yehovah specifically by means of the shofar blast? Why should we speak with the language of symbols and sounds and not words, the way we tell the story of the Exodus from Egypt? The answer is that the shofar expands and deepens the human voice. The Tekiah, Teruah blasts express more than words can. Regarding the receiving of the Torah, the verse says, "And the voice of the shofar became continuously stronger. Moshe would speak and Yehovah will respond with the voice." That sound was the ever-strengthening voice hinted at the endless, rapid increase of Torah throughout the generations. A person who turns to Yehovah faces a dilemma. Generally, turning to Yehovah in prayer consists of using words. However, human language was created for dialogue between people, between one finite creature and another. There is something tragic about the fact that a person must use human language when turning to Yehovah. Human language limits, constricts, and distorts. It cannot express what is found in the chambers of our hearts. Human speech is fundamentally different from divine speech. This is an entirely different mode of expression than human speech. It is a completely different essence. The blast of the shofar solves this dilemma, at least to some degree. You see, the heart is an entanglement of thoughts and feelings, and we have difficulty communicating the authentic message found in our innermost hearts. We are incapable of expressing this in words or organized speech. So we have the shofar, which expands and deepens the human voice. Man puts as much energy into the shofar as he can, and the sound from his heart, far greater than his words, emanate from the shofar. Yehovah gave us the commandment of the shofar, and through it we communicate to Yehovah the feelings of our heart. He hears the voice of the shofar and listens to its blast.
Tekiah, Shevarim, Teruah, Tekiah, Tekiah, Shevarim, Tekiah, Tekiah, Teruah, Tekiah Gedolah,